Hello Internet, my name is Zori, and is anybody else ready for a fun summer? We're making beach earrings. First, grab your favorite earring mold for this project. Bigger is definitely easier. Next, grab some sand. If you live near a beach, good for you, I had to buy some. Then you can go ahead and mix it with UV resin and put it into the widest part of your mold. Next, hit it with your alien flashlight just so it doesn't mix with the watercolor. Next, mix up your watercolors. See-through is definitely better for this project. Add the color from lightest to darkest. It's good for the colors to mix together. Then add some white alcohol ink and use a toothpick to draw lines, and then blow them. That's not an insult. You can use a straw or something to help you, but it really adds to get that wave effect. After curing, add a clear layer of UV resin on top to flatten everything out. Or you could use this step to do the opposite by adding small shells and stones. I'm not your mom, do what you want. Lastly, add a jump ring in your earring hook and boom, it's time to go nowhere because there's a crazy pandemic going on.